Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Mandrake seed in Grow a Garden new berry update. Okay, let's get into it guys. And for your information, this Mandrake seed is from the previous update, which is the beanstalk update. And don't worry because you can still get this Mandrake seed by crafting on the crafting table. Okay, right here. So even though the beanstalk update is over, you can still get this Mandrake seed. Okay, I'm going to go to the crafting table, and then these are the items you will need to craft the Mandrake seed, and you will get 3 Mandrake seeds. Okay, you will need carrot, beanstalk, and also common egg. And I'm going to craft the Mandrake seed. Alright, I'm going to submit my carrot seed. Okay. Oops, sorry. I'm going to submit carrot. Click on submit item. And we will need beanstalk. I'm going to search for my beanstalk. Okay, and then we need common egg. Okay. This one. Submit item. And then you can click on start crafting. And it needs 5 minutes to grab this Mandrake seed. And okay guys, that's all the way to get the Mandrake seed and grow a garden new berry update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.